today's premise of the video is, since it is snowy out, so last night we took the Ford out and went and got a bunch of people unstuck, pulled a couple vehicles and whatnot. So I was really testing out the 4x of the truck and did great. Front axle's good, I don't have to repair anything there. So from the prior video where we did the transmission fix, I was kind of worried about the 4x4 on it. Got that taken care of, got that transfer case in, and good to go. So let's get to the point of this video. I figured, again, since we got the weather and take advantage of the situation, here's kind of how tall it is, I guess. I don't know, gives you a little idea of how much snow we got. So anywho, I want to show you guys how to get unstuck in the vehicle if you guys are by yourself. So what we did here is we scooped out the driveway kind of best as possible here. If you have a truck, if it's 2-wheel drive, just fill the bed up with snow, and that will help you get weight and traction, because your passenger side wheel is usually one wheel that turns. This one will go if it gets traction, or if they both kind of lock. That's if you have an open diff. So anywho, we kind of stopped the snow line right here. It is still fairly deep, and it's fairly deep out there. So what I'm gonna have her do is just stay straight and just gun it backwards, not stop. If she does get stuck, then we'll stop. Try to push yourself forward, so that way you have a little bit of a momentum room, because that's all you need in the snow is a lot of momentum. So we'll see if she gets stuck. If you get stuck, just stop. And yeah, hopefully she doesn't hit the tree. Whoa, 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 whoa!
No! God, please, no! No!
That obviously didn't work out. There was a vehicle coming, that could have been very bad. So we'll try this again, but we are stuck, so that is a good deal. So I told her to stop there, and now if she tries to go in reverse, okay, so she's rocking a little bit. So that means that we can still go forward a little bit. At her furthest forward, you need to hit your brake. So go forward, hit your brake, keep on the brake, put it in reverse, stay on the brake, and now when you go into reverse, gun it. Okay? So as we can see from here, she obviously can't see, but I'm sure she could feel in the wheel. This wheel is obviously not spinning, so no need to try to get traction on the wheel that is not spinning. And we have this wheel that is spinning. We know that it's stuck, and we can see that we have a little bit of room right here to go, and it's starting to bury itself here. So what we need to do is dig this out right here, and then maybe we'll do a little behind the wheels, just because I know it is a little deep back there. So dig a little spot out, same on the rear wheel, and try the process again. We'll get over here so we can talk with her. Make sure nobody else is coming. All right, so what we're gonna do, okay, so you can see in the back here, it kind of wants to slant up. So our best choice is to definitely go forward until we can get on the top of the hill of that little slope. And then she can again rock it back out. So we need to drive forward, and when we get as forward until you start spinning, then stop. Don't let it spin a lot. All right, stop, stop, stop. You see how we moved all that forward? Now we have all that room to go back right there. So if you go backwards and gun it, keep it going, and don't stop, you usually can get out. If you feel like you're gonna start to get stuck, then rotate your wheels left and right, and you should be okay, but...
No traffic?
No, nobody's coming. Mozzie, you ready? All right, gun it, go ahead. Bam, sweet. Now, I'm just gonna have her go back into the driveway, and we're just gonna drive all the way back in, and we'll just kind of keep going back and forth. I could honestly just do it with the Ford as well too, but I mean, there's really nowhere to park on the street since they scooped, so we will see if we get stuck again and go that route. But I think we're just gonna keep clearing the driveways. That's kind of a way to help get a vehicle unstuck. Hopefully that helps for you guys. Hopefully it's a little bit more advice to get you out of a pinch, I suppose. So everybody drive safe, stay warm, and appreciate you guys tuning in. So take care.